I am so excited to tell you all about the latest updates to our preset packs. We've spent the last 3 months rebuilding our presets from the ground up. Guided by your feedback and using the best color technology available, we're introducing your most requested updates while improving upon the packs you know and love. We've gone through every preset and fine-tuned the tone profile to be even more accurate with better micro-contrast. No other presets on the market offers custom white balance settings. Our brand new white balance settings are specifically tuned to each preset pack to get you the best skin tones possible with one click. All of our presets have been updated with a new, more user-friendly formatting within the preset panel, giving you an easy-to-use visual hierarchy. Plus, we've completely refreshed every single one of our tutorial videos, now available in the support portion of our site. We can't wait to see what you do with these new updates and additions.